So let me just show you real quick. I use ClickMagick, so I'll just show you how to get a tracking pixel. Let me see. So I'll go to track conversions. I'll go down right here. It says use a pixel builder to generate your pixel, and it says what do you want to track? I want to track actions. So that's the AKA that's opt-ins, right? So I'll leave the rest of that as default, and you can see down here it says action tracking pixel, and it has the pixel code. All I have to do is highlight it and copy it. And what I want to do is I want to come here to the generator. I'm going to paste that in. All right, so you can see the top part right here. It says enter destination URL. So the destination URL is the sales page. You can see right here in the little diagram. That's going to be, you know, your offer, your opportunity, whatever you want the visitor to click to buy. That's where you want to send that person to. So for the sake of this example, let me just do, I'll just do youtube.com, okay? And now I just want you to look at this diagram. So this is how it's going to flow. Let me just generate this file first. So I'll click on generate file, and you can see right here, this redirect.php file just downloaded to my my computer. And this is exactly what you need to do. You need to then go to your domain. So of course you need to have your own website. And in order to have a website, you need to have a hosting account. So you want to go inside of your hosting account. You want to locate your website, and you just click to upload, and you just drop that redirect.php file onto your hosting account. Now keep in mind, this isn't for everyone. While this isn't the most technically challenging thing to do, I know that the skill level for everyone varies. So if this is something that you're not capable of doing, don't worry about it, or hire someone from Fiverr or something to get that done for you. But these are the things that you need to have. You need to have your own hosting account. You need to have your own website, and that's it. Okay, so once you drop that redirect file, this is the most important step right here. You want to then point the capture page link. When the person opts in, when the visitor goes to your capture page, they put in their email address. The link that you want that person to be taken to needs to point to that page. Let me just show you. It needs to point to that redirect page on the domain that you choose. So realsoloadtraffic.com/redirect.php. So when a person opts into my capture page, it's then taking them to realsoload.com/redirect.php. that fires the pixel for a split second, and then it redirects them to the destination URL. So if I'm losing you a little bit, just rewind this video. It's very simple. But this picture page right here is only going to fire for a split second. This desktop is pretty slow, so it might take longer because I'm recording a video. But it's a blank page. It fires for a split second, and you can see how quick it was. But it was just enough time for that pixel to fire and it to track inside of your tracking platform.